Good morning, students. Students, today I am here some more problems from method of substitution in integration. See the first question. Integrate 1 bata 1 plus 10x. So first step, change 10x in terms of sin and cos. See, it should be written as 1 upon 1 plus sin x by cos x dx. Take out LCM. So cos x will be LCM, it comes into numerator. So we write this one as cos x dx divided by cos x plus sin x. Now this cos x should be written as 1 bata 2 into integration of 2 cos x rationalized by 2 cos x dx by cos x plus sin x. Add and subtract sin x. So this term means I should now be written as 1 by 2 cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x divided by 2, because cos x plus cos x will be 2 cos x, that is our numerator, and plus sin x and minus sin x would be cancelled. Now split this integration into 2 integrations, means this would be 1 by 2 integral of cos x plus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. In the first integration, see cos x plus sin x bata cos x plus sin x. After cancellation it becomes 1 into dx plus 1 by 2 cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x dx. Integration of first one is obviously x. In second one, suppose this is equation 1. Second one, put cos x plus sin x is equals to u. Then differentiate it. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and differentiation of sin x will be cos x dx is equals to du, or you may write as cos x minus sin x, which is numerator of the second integration, cos x minus sin x dx is equals to du. Now come from equation 1. I should be now written as 1 bata 2 into x plus 1 bata 2 du bata u, and integration of 1 by u will be log u, that is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 log u. Now write down the value of u, which is cos x plus sin x. Therefore I should be written as 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 log cos x plus sin x plus integral constant c. This is your result. I think it is quite clear. Now in the same way we can integrate 1/1 plus cos x. That result will come in terms of sin x. So now next question is integrate x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Your next question is integrate x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1. First, divide numerator and denominator by x square. Divide numerator and denominator by x square. Then integration reduces to 1 plus 1 bata x square upon x square plus 1 bata x square dx. Here you apply the formula. In denominator you apply the formula a square plus b square. You know a square plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. Should be integration of 1 plus 1 by x square dx upon a minus b whole square. So x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2ab. A into b means x into 1 by x, which cancels together and only 2 is left here. Now apply substitution. In substitution, put x minus 1 by x is equal to u. Differentiate it. So differentiation of x is 1 by 1 and 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, which becomes 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equals to du. That comes from differentiation. Put this value in the question. Put this value in the question. Then integration will be now 1 plus 1 by x square dx, that is du. So du by u square plus 2. Integration is du by u square plus 2 or du by u square plus root 2 square. So 1 bata x square plus a square, whose integration is 1 by a tan inverse x by a, means 1 by root 2 tan inverse u by root 2, and hence finally write down the value of u. So finally we have integration is equals to 1 by root 2 tan inverse 1 by root 2 into x minus 1 by x plus c. So this is your result. Hence in this way we integrate such type of question. We integrate such type of question. Our next question is, write down, integrate sin x divided by sin x minus cos x dx. This is same in the pattern of first question. Sin x divided by sin x minus cos x. So first, as usual, rationalize it by 2. So it should be written as 1 by 2 into integral of 2 sin x by sin x minus cos x dx. Again write, this should be equals to sin x plus cos x plus sin x minus cos x divided by sin x minus cos x dx. Again convert into two different integration. So it should be written as half into integral of sin x plus cos x upon sin x minus cos x dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of sin x minus cos x upon sin x minus cos x dx. So in second integration, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 should be sin inverse sin x minus cos x and sin inverse minus cos x should be cancelled. It becomes 1. And in first integration, put as usual denominator, means put sin x minus cos x is equals to u. Differentiate them. So when we differentiate it, then it becomes cos x and this becomes positive sin x dx is equals to du. So we got the numerator, that is sin x plus cos x dx. Hence our integration is 1 by 2 du bata u plus 1 by 2 into integral of 1 into dx. So integration of du by u will be log u. So it should be written as 1 by 2 log u plus 1 by 2 into x. Now write down the value of u. We have considered sin x minus cos x as u. So finally our integration is equals to 1 by 2 log u means sin x minus cos x plus 1 by 2 into x plus constant c. So you have done another problem on the same pattern. Write down next question. Your next question is integrate tan x into sec square x divided by 1 minus tan square x dx. See students, in the question obviously angles are normal, but denominator is a larger term, so apply substitution and put 1 minus tan square x is equals to u. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of 1 will be 0 minus first differentiate for powers, so it is 2 tan x, then differentiation of tan x, which is sec square x dx is equals to du, and hence 2 tan x sec square x dx will be minus du. 2 tan x into sec square x is minus du. Now our integration is reduces into minus du upon u. Minus is taken outside integral as a constant du by u, which is log u. So minus log u, or you can make it positive by writing log 1 upon u. Now write down the value of u. So finally we have integral value is log u 1 minus tan square x. So 1 upon 1 minus tan square x plus c. This is your students. Now I think you are in position to solve the integration by substituting the terms. See one more question. Write down integrate x square into e to the power x cube into cos e to the power x cube dx. X square into e to the power x cube into cos e to the power x cube dx. Apply substitution. Put e to the power x cube is equals to u. Now differentiate. So first go for differentiation. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x, so it is e to the power x cube. Now differentiate x cube. X differentiation of x cube is 3x square into dx is equals to du. Now make this 3 into right side. We have x square into e to the power x cube dx is equals to 1 by 3 du. Right? So now our integration is I should be now written as x square into e to the power x cube dx will be 1 by 3 du, and we have left only cos u. So it should be written as 1 by 3 cos u du, and integration of cos u is sin u. So 1 bata 3 sin u. Thus the value of u, which is e to the power x cube. So finally we have integration is 1 bata 3 sin e to the power x cube plus integral constant c. So dear students, we have solved so many questions by method of substitution. Now we are in position to do next exercise, to start next exercise. But before starting next exercise, we shall have some more problem. In the next class we will solve some problems like objective type or multiple choice. Then we start next chapter. Thank you.